Hey everyone, it's Samuel. Today I'll show you how to create a guild on Discord in 2025, covering all the new updates. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Discord app or desktop client and log in. On the left sidebar, look for the plus icon. This is where you create a new server or guild. Step 2. Click the plus icon, then select Create My Own. Discord calls servers guilds behind the scenes, so this is how you start a new guild. Step 3. Choose whether it's for a club, community, or for you and your friends. This helps Discord customize your settings and recommended features. Step 4. Give your guild a name and upload an icon. This helps your guild stand out. Make sure it reflects your guild's theme or purpose. Step 5. Customize your guild settings. Set up roles, channels, and permissions. You can create text and voice channels for different topics or activities. Use the new channel categories and channel topics to organize everything neatly. Step 6. Invite members. Use the invite link option to send invites to your friends or community members. You can customize the invite link to expire after a set time or limit the number of uses. Step 7. Explore new guild features in 2025, like server insights, moderation tools, and integration with external apps. These tools help you manage your community better and keep it safe. And that's it. Your Discord guild is ready. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step how-to tutorials.